Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the price of Bitcoin because today is the FOMC interest rate announcement, which is super important, and we're going to be seeing where the predicted level of the interest rate is going to be and how much it can be potentially increased or decreased to. So we're going to be looking at the impacts of that, and also guys, I'm going to be live streaming potentially or making a video during the FOMC announcement, so make sure to turn on the notification bell so you're alerted immediately when I post the video. And guys, let's smash up the like button. Let's take this video to 500 likes. That's all I ask in exchange for this content. It takes 2 seconds, so please do leave a like right now. And guys, let's jump into the video. But remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, of course. It's only my personal tea and opinions only, so make sure to do your own research before trading or investing and coming to your own conclusions. So let's jump in. Price of Bitcoin. Now this is the 1 hourly chart for Bitcoin, and we're currently forming a bullish pennant, which looks like this. However, because today is a news event, I personally don't like to trade any news event because there is a lot of speculation and price volatility. And yes, there is volatility is good for traders. However, I'm personally a swing trader, so I don't like to trade these news events. But guys, also if you are in the free Telegram group, I updated you guys on this pattern and we hit the target basically almost perfectly. Maybe just by a couple of dollars it was off, so congratulations if you took that trade, and let's get this group to 1.9k if possible. That would be super awesome. I like it, you guys like it too, so let's jump back into the video. You can find the link in the description below. However, now this is the pattern that's forming the bullish pennant. Now I personally like to set alerts for if we break towards the downside or towards the upside, because nothing is guaranteed. Both ways is possible, so I set my alerts over here. Now my bullish target will be measuring the height of this pennant, not the pole, because I believe this is more conservative and more likely to happen. I don't like to measure the pole because I think it's just too bullish, or too big of a target. So if I do this, the target for this pattern will be around $28,763. But yeah, you can arrange that to your liking if you want. Again, this is just my own personal TA only, and our bearish target will be actually $27,700. So that range. So make sure to do your own analysis too and see what you see on the charts as well. But these are my potential targets for if we break towards the upside or towards the downside. But let's have a look actually at the 4 hourly chart too. Now in the last video I was talking about this ascending parallel channel. We did wick below here, but we're still inside on the daily chart, and I do think if the interest rates are bullish, which I will get into what that means in just a second, then we could potentially hit $29,000 very briefly, which is I think possible. But let's see what happens. I will be updating you guys. It's all depending on what the FOMC rate decision is looking like. And actually, if I check the oscillators also, this is the daily chart. On the daily, the MACD is still bullish, right? But the stochastic is about to cross towards the downside. In fact, it's just bounced off of it. So we still haven't crossed towards the downside. So that is pretty good. So that means we could have some more bullish price action as well. If I jump to the 4 hourly chart, let's have a look at the oscillators here. So if I do this and boom, so basically the MACD is currently looking like we are going to see potentially a bullish crossover very soon, and the stochastic, we haven't had a bearish crossover. We're still heading towards the upside, which is also absolutely fantastic. Now if I jump into what the predicted interest rates are, so I use the FedWatch CME tool for this. Basically the prediction is that we're going to have a 25 basis point increase. That's by 85%, and 15% of the people think that we will have a 25 basis point decrease. Now what's bullish for us, of course, is that there is a Fed interest rate decrease, because when there's a decrease, then loans become cheaper and it's easier for people to borrow money and then spend. Therefore it's good for the economy. However, if they increase the interest rates, then that means the treasury bonds these banks have been having and have been collapsing because of, then that will also lose more in value, which could cause more banks to become bankrupt. And of course that's also good for Bitcoin. So that is basically a win-win situation for Bitcoin. But let's see, I personally want a decrease so the economy is starting to repair itself. But I personally like to use Forex Factor to see when these news events are. So at my time, that will be 10 p.m. and I will be doing a live stream. I'll try to be doing a live stream or at least a video too. And I like to use Trading Economics to see the previous data. So previously it was 4.75%. But guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will be seeing you very shortly in a couple of hours, hopefully. So let's see. But guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys very soon. So take care, guys, and bye-bye.